I'm Kiera Brice. I'm a part of Cohort 12, and this is my RTR story. So my RTR journey, I did an undergrad program, and so I was taking classes full-time, and RTR was very good about making sure there was a balance between schoolwork and class. And it was very interesting to see the way that my math concepts class and my social studies, they applied to the classroom. That was a very interesting part, and actually getting to put those things into action and what I'm learning into action, as opposed to a practicum experience where it is less immersive. And then by the time because I was split, I started in January, and then I took the summer break and I came back in the fall. By the time fall rolled around, I felt a lot more confident to do the student teaching portion of it, which was a really big fear of mine in undergraduate classes and before I got into RTR. I did not feel ready beforehand to take on a whole class gradually, even from a mentor in there. So RTR really set me up to take over that class, and then into my future as a teacher, it felt very smooth to take over a class mid-year where I don't think I would have been prepared for that if it had not been for RTR. And then now it just feels like second nature. It's very easy. It doesn't feel like, it's technically my first year now. It doesn't really feel like my first year. So yeah, overall it has made everything such a smooth transition, and I feel a lot more prepared.